This is pictures of the River Dee at Eccleston in Chester, taken with the drone when we first got it, just to show the beauty of the Cheshire and Wales countryside. Very pleasant. Couple of paddleboards, couple of boats. We come down to the river on our paddleboard and kayak to have a mess about. It's quite a pleasant place, though it does get busy. But I do love the line along the water to the right there by the field. It's all oak trees that have been planted in the last 20 years. It's stunning. This is a different view of the river. That's us sitting in the middle of the field, and the drone doing its own quick shots. You can see Beeston Castle and Peckforton in the background there, the little hump in the middle on the horizon. And there we're looking over Alford and towards Farndon.